Thank you for tuning in to another video brought to you by Seeking Paradise Together. We'll show you a glimpse of the Village Street Eatery and a full tour of the Soho King Room. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Our breakfast selection was at 48th and Crepe, which offers relatively inexpensive options for dining. If you're up for a quick bite, and one that will satisfy your taste buds, we would suggest giving this a try, but be aware, they do close at 2. Howdy. Alright, 40th and Crepe over at New York's little street eatery. Found some 48th and Crepe. Strawberry mascarpone. That was a big bite. Oh, that's good. Alright, that's one of the best crepes I've ever had. That's a fantastic crepe. A must try. If you're into crepes or if you've never had one, definitely come out to 40th and Crepe at New York, give it a shot. It's worth it. For lunch, we really wanted to try Greenberg Deli, as it is known for its delicious sandwiches. You can get filled up in a hurry with its generous portions of hot or cold deli cuts. Alright, Greenberg Deli. The original Reuben with pastrami.
Oh, it's delicious. Juicy, soft bread, toasty, full of flavor. There's a lot of meat on there. Delicious sandwich, well worth it. New York, Chrysler Tower, room 2884. Check it out, remodeled room. It's our first time staying here, and we get a new room. Pretty cool. Some different kind of wallpaper, I like it. Gives you that urban New York vibe. Immediately to the right when you enter, small bathroom. It's open 24/7. So I got a shower tub combo with a shower curtain. Too bad. It's a small, tight bathroom. Got some hooks to hang your purse, jackets. King size bed. Again, wallpaper is cool. I love it. This little chill sofa in the corner. Looks like they got some USB ports, places to charge your stuff, push button lights. There in the headboard. This is cool. Kind of a little wet bar. Looks like there's supposed to be a fridge in there, but there's no fridge. Maybe someday there will be. Got some drawers. Nice deep one there. That's pretty cool. So seat. Little table and chairs over here at the window. Safe there to store your belongings, and that looks like your closet. So, yeah, I don't know what it's like staying in New York, or in New York. but I would assume this would be the equivalent of space you'd have in maybe an apartment. I don't know. I've heard they're small. I mean, this is a small room, but hey, it's a pretty nice room for the price you pay. It's not too bad. Got a nice strip view there. I don't know if you can see that too well. Turn the lights off there. Let's go grab that one too. See if that makes it any better. All right. Strip view. You don't get much of a window, but you can see out of it. These windows make it look really dark outside. It's just past 3 o'clock in the afternoon and it looks dark. But these windows make it look like night. So, pretty cool.